What's up, guys? We're back at the shop today, working on a 5.7 Hemi, and a lot of times people run into this issue, so I figured I'd make a quick video on it. It's the little MDS Solenoids that's in the valley. A lot of people break those off when they try taking them out. So, you know, this motor we're working on, it's got a bunch of miles on it. It's like 140,000 miles on it. And we're taking them out, taking the MDS out of it, and the solenoid's broke. So, what we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you a quick little hack to get those out. So, what you pretty much do is take a screw it in it, claw hammer, pull it out, and it just slides right out. You're gonna throw them in the trash. So it's not like you're ruining them. When they break, they're ruined anyway. So I'm gonna show you how to do that kind of step by step. So like I said, it's just gonna be a quick little video. Sorry it's not very long, but I was just in the middle of doing it and thought, you know what? Some people have this issue and they get stuck. So I'm gonna show you how to get them out. So we'll start by doing that. All right, guys. So as you see, the solenoid's broke off right here. So we're gonna get it out. So you gotta get a screw and a drill. You're not gonna want to drill in the middle. That thing moves. You're gonna want to come to this little edge right here where these little lips are. You're gonna put a screw in it. Okay. Claw hammer. You're just gonna very carefully give it some taps. Well, focus. Alright, there you go. Sorry guys, a little focus issue with the camera. So what you're going to do is you're just going to slowly, easily just kind of peck this thing around some. And it'll come right out. So, we'll do this other one real quick then. Like I said, you're going to throw them away anyway, throw them in the trash. So, get a screw. Alright. Get your hammer. Comes right out. So like I said, quick, easy hack. I figured I'd share with you all. Short video. Sorry about that. Like I said, we was just thinking, how can we how can we show you how to do it real quick. A lot of people struggle with it, so it takes literally 3 minutes to do all four of them if they're all stuck, broke off. 95% of people do not save these. So instead of trying to be really, really careful and not break them, just take the screwdriver, get inside of them, pop it out, take a screw, get them right out. You'll literally spend 3 minutes getting them all out. And that's so much faster, and so much easier, especially if you're getting rid of putting the block off plates in. So yeah, that's a quick short video. So make sure to like, subscribe, comment, tell me what else you want to see. Definitely anything like the Hemi stuff. So we'll be happy to share stuff we can. So yeah guys, thanks for watching.